Hey hikers, Jeremiah here, and I'm here with my buddy.
Hey, I'm Derrick. What's going on, guys?
And we're about to hit the trail at Cumberland Falls. Let's go! Woo! For the record, I always have thought that Dog Slaughter Falls is an odd name for a waterfall, but I'm really excited for you all to be able to check it out. I just want to appreciate the size of this man's backpack. I want to appreciate the size of your backpack.
Oh, okay.
This is like a...
So this is sassafras tree. I think its Latin name is Sassafras albatus, and you can identify it because it actually has 3 different types of leaves. If you look here, we have one leaf with no lobes, one leaf with 2 lobes, and one leaf with 3 lobes. And something neat about the sassafras tree, if you rip up their leaves and you smell them, they have a very aromatic scent to them. They almost smell like Fruit Loops. And yeah, that's a sassafras tree.
We're not in panic mode yet. It is starting to get dark though. We got on trail pretty late and we need to find a camp spot pretty fast. I know that there's a beach area coming up, so maybe we'll be able to camp there. Right now, we're just hustling. What do you think, Derek?
Well, I hope we can find a camping spot soon, man. I don't want to be caught out here in the dark.
True that. Definitely don't want to have to find a spot in the dark.
In the sky, gazing far into the night, I raise my hand to the fire, but it's no use, 'cause you can't stop it from shining through. It's true, baby, let the light shine through. If you believe it's true, baby, won't you let the light shine through for you, for you.
Well guys, it's getting a little harder to see now. Man, we got on this trail late, but we got the tent set up. Derrick's got the fire going, and I'm gonna find a place to hang our bear bag. So this is what we came up with, hanging the bear bag after dark. I'm not gonna lie, it is a lot more difficult hanging the bear bag after the sun's gone down. So we just kind of jerry-rigged it up. Tonight's menu, we have a feast. We got the 4 cheese Idahoan mashed potatoes. We got some crackers to go with it. Some real bacon bits to throw in there.
Can't have the fake ones.
That's right, no fake bacon bits. We got pepperoni sticks add a little bit more protein, and then for dessert, we're going full on basic white girl and eating a pumpkin spice roll. Looks like my water's to a rolling boil. Time for the mashed potatoes. I know you guys are hungry. Here. Derrick's over there sawing away.
Yep. Oh, they just got stuck.
It turned out to be a beautiful night. Had to eat our dinner, pitch our tent. We did have to gather firewood in the dark, which is what I would call one of the most challenging things that you have to do. But all in all, it's been a great time. You're funny.
Don't laugh, it's not funny.
You're funny. This scene is brought to you by the Blair Witch Project.